Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, where I'm super excited to show you a fantastic mod menu for Among Us that is fully functional in 2024. If you're still enjoying Among Us this year, you're in for a treat, because this mod menu is absolutely loaded with amazing features. First, let's jump right into the game so I can show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, the mod menu integrates smoothly with Among Us, and it brings a whole new level of excitement to the game. Whether you're looking to customize your character, gain some cool abilities, or tweak the game settings to your liking, this mod menu has got you covered. One of the best things about this mod menu is that it's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Yes, you heard that right. It even works on older devices like my trusty old iPhone. So no matter what kind of phone you're using, you can enjoy all the awesome features this mod menu offers. Now, you might be wondering if you need any special skills to install this mod menu. The good news is, you don't. There's no need for jailbreaking, rooting, or any complicated procedures. It's designed to be user-friendly and easy to set up. All you have to do is watch this video and follow the steps I show you. Alright, if you're ready, let's get started. Make sure you follow along closely, and by the end of this video, you'll have the mod menu up and running on your device. Let's get into it. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Among Us and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.